A boy. A girl. A driver. A vet. A pilot. A policeman. A policewoman.
I am a driver. I'm a driver. I'm a pilot. I'm a cook. I'm a policeman. I'm a vet.
Who is a policeman? The boy is a policeman. Who is a farmer? The girl is a farmer. Who is a driver? The girl is a driver. Who is a pilot? The boy is a pilot.
Who am I?
Are you a farmer?
No, I'm not.
Are you a vet?
Yes, I am. Who am I?
Are you a driver?
No, I'm not.
Are you a policewoman?
Yes, I am. Who am I?
Are you a vet?
No, I'm not.
Are you a pilot? Yes, I am.
Who am I?
Are you a pilot?
No, I'm not.
Are you a driver?
Yes, I am. Who am I?
Are you a doctor?
No, I'm not.
Are you a vet?
Yes, I am. Who am I?
Are you a pilot?
No, I'm not.
Are you a policeman?
Yes, I am. Who am I?
Are you a farmer?
No, I'm not.
Are you a driver?
Yes, I am.